Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your DoorDash driver's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your DoorDash driver's account, firstly open your Google search. Type in DoorDash driver login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the login link shown on the page. To log into your DoorDash driver's account, enter your email address and password associated with your DoorDash driver's account and then click on Sign In. Click on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, tap on Reset Password. This is how you can log into your DoorDash driver's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.